Welcome! In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages, we should have our Do Not Disturb mode. For me it is on the second page, as you can see right over here. Now once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time, I recommend holding it, and this will quickly take you, well, almost quickly, I'm gonna select more, and this will then quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So right at the front, at the top, we have the Do Not Disturb, so this is just a toggle, functions the same way as the toggle in the notifications. Below that we have a schedule, so we can set up a schedule so the mode turns on and off based on the provided day of the week and start and end time. If you're planning to use the schedule, just make sure you toggle it on in here, and that's all you would need to do. Now going down, we also have people. This allows you to select who can call you. So we have contacts, favorites, or no one. And we also have the option right here, ring for repeated callers. This option will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So as an example, if you selected that no one should be able to call you or message you, if you toggle this on as well, if someone tries to call you or attempts to call you twice within a 3-minute period, they will completely bypass this option and call you as though this mode would be off. It's a good option to have enabled in terms of emergencies. So if someone has like an emergency, they need to get a reach of you, they'll probably be spam calling you almost. So therefore they will sign up for this criteria and will be able to actually reach you, hopefully. Anyway, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your mode, simply find the toggle. This is obviously for the manual use. Tap on it, select turn on, and your mode is right now enabled, which you can see right here with this moon icon. So that is how you would enable it, and once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it once more, and your device will go back to functioning normally. And you do want to remember about it, otherwise this mode would be running indefinitely in your background, and whatever the settings you have chosen, obviously they would be in effect almost all the time, till you turn off the mode. So, with this being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.